Welcome, this is the Motorola Edge 40 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So open first the box, and here we could see the USB Type-C cable and the charger, the original one, the Motorola charger with all of the specifications. And let's also check this paper box. So let's open it, and we got here some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card, SIM eject tool, and the protective case. In my case, it's in in clear color. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.